Hi, this is Dan Namaro from PuraCars. In this clip, we are going to introduce to you our SOS feature. Now, we have all kinds of levels of SOS or emergency services. So we've got the tow trucks, we've got mechanics that provide 24/7 service. We've got mechanics that have their own tow trucks. We've got mechanics that can provide you with a tow truck service because they're used to working with a particular company. But the thing I'm most proud of is this gig economy that we're getting ready to set up within Costa Rica. And we call it Pura Rescate. And basically these are all of your roadside assistance services. Something that with a test, and yes, we've created tests, we've created standards, so nobody that is using or is a service provider, I should say, in Pura Rescate can join us unless they have their DECRA, unless they have their Marchamo, unless they've taken the test to make sure they know exactly how to safely pump or put air in your tire, to plug a tire, to fill your radiator with radiator fluid, to give you some fluids to top off, so on and so forth, the simple things. So all of these different ways will serve you when you have an auto emergency, for lack of a better term. So I'm going to go to the blue button. I'm going to go to SOS. I can see that in the problem type, it will only allow me to pick SOS. I can see that the service itself may include additional costs. I can put in a description. Now I've added that description, and I can even put in pictures. In this case, I have uploaded a picture. You folks who live in Guanacaste know that the Wi-Fi sometimes takes a bit of time. So this just shows my location and the issue that I have, which is I'm stuck in line waiting to pick up my children and I've got a flat tire. Now I'm going to search for services. Only the service providers that provide this particular service will allow me to pick their service. I'm picking Mecanico Brasilito, and that's it. We're done. Shows me all of the things they specialize in, so on and so forth. Now I'm going to go back to the home page. I'm going to click on my SOS request, and there I am, right there. Now I'm going to cancel it because we have live growers. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Dan Namaro, PuraCars.